Joining us now for an exclusive conversation is actress Kayadu Logar. Ma'am, we've come for the jersey unveiling event of the Indian Pickleball Association. So my first question to you is, do you play pickleball? Like,
Yeah, I do, like not regularly, but I've played like once and twice, and I know it's like a fun game. I want to start playing, but my schedule doesn't allow me to. But I think I'll start playing more often now.
okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. With the launch of this particular league, this is the country's official pickleball league now. So how do you think this league will help propel the already rising popularity of pickleball in the country?
I think more than that, I know like pickleball is a sport which is also building community, and it's bringing a lot of people together, and it's also an exciting game. So more than that, I think the building community is the most fun and exciting part. So I'm looking forward to that, and I hope that what the vision. The league is having it goes wider, and like hopefully we see it in Olympics and it takes a little more ahead.
We have five teams today: the Chennai team, Hyderabad, etc. So which is your favorite? May I ask?
With no offense, I mean,
Yeah.
I love all the teams, but I think I have a soft corner for Chennai. So,
Okay,
yeah.
of course we all do because Chennai is an emotion to
Yeah.
all of us, and
Yeah.
we really hope that this team, the Chennai team, is becoming more popular and fierce like the Chennai Super Kings we have in
Yes.
IPL. Also, I'm talking about the sport itself. In addition to being a hobby or in addition to being a sport, like it is turning out to be a fitness option for a lot of youth at this point. So, how do you look at the health angle attached to it?
Sport has always been attached to health, fitness, but now I feel it also builds your strength mentally. It builds resilience in you, and it always gives you that hope of never giving up. So I think more than fitness, that also comes into the picture with sports. So I think the youth, the generation should also look up to it as not just as sport, but of fully being healthy mentally and physically.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you for talking to
Thank you.
us. That is actress Kayada Logan, and of course, she is making it very clear that of course she has experience of playing pickleball now and then, but because of her tight schedule, she's not been able to do it regularly. But from now on, she hopes that she'll be able to do it. She'll be able to, make pickleball a prominent part of her daily routine. And she also goes on to say that in the country at the moment, pickleball's popularity is just rising and rising, and there seems to be no looking back. The sport is only growing, and the youngsters especially, they can look at this as a fitness option too, because health is always attached to any sport, be it pickleball, cricket, or football. The health angle is attached to them always, and that is something that she feels is very important for an individual, for a human being. Let's wait and see how the league unfolds in the coming days. But for the time being, Daniel Jayaprakash for Times Network from Chennai.